Yeah. Bert Brown back in the shack, M7WJO, and just been out smoking the Londoner by Barling. I showed you this on a previous quick video. Just a brief upload tonight on making easy tobacco blends for yourself. I mentioned before, this pipe came in its original box, the Londoner by Barling, with its sleeve. It's a Jambo Meerschaum, and it did have a slight hairline crack just along the shank there. As you can see, what I've done is I've put a bit of epoxy. It's absolutely minuscule, and I've taped over with it with some duct tape, which I may just leave on there because I don't think it really affects the look of the pipe greatly. But if it creates too many problems, I will get it banded and put a band over there. But it hasn't affected the smoking qualities of this pipe at all. Fast becoming my favourite smoker actually. The flavour out of this pipe is absolutely phenomenal, so I'm very pleased with that. But I was going to do a little video about making your own tobacco blends the easy way, and this really is the easy way. This is when you have one tobacco that you like, and then you think, oh, I like this other tobacco, what's going to happen if I mix the two together? Well, you made your own blend. And I've mentioned one of my own before, which I called Bowling Green, which is a 50-50 mix of Condor and Grasmere Flake by Gowith and Hogarth. Grasmere Flake has got a rose and geranium taste to it, which for me bolsters the fruitiness of the Condor. So that's Bert Brown's blend number one, Bowling Green 50-50 Condor Grasmere Flake, and I've just made another one tonight, and it's all just made in the spirit of experimentation. This isn't anything to do with professional blending or anything else. It's just about chucking together things that you like the taste of. I've called it Drunken Sailor. Why is that? Well, it's 50% Latakia, whatever Latakia you can get. I've used some from Gowith and Hogarth again, and 50% cherry, and I've used Century Black Cherry for this. Other cherries and indeed other Latakias are available. Why did I like that? Well, I like the cherries and I like Latakia, so I put the two together and make my own blend. So it's copyright free if you want to try it. If you want to try Drunken Sailor, 50% Latakia, 50% cherry. Very nice, smooth smoke indeed. So I think I'm going to be okay with this pipe. Let me know what tobaccos you like to combine. Do you just do a round robin and put all your offcuts into one bowl and see how it comes out, or are you a bit more scientific with it? Have a look. I've got a specific video reviewing a book on blending your own tobaccos if you want to do it a little bit more in a more of a measured scientific way. But for me, it's all about just the pleasure of the hobby. Just basic experimentation, what you like the taste of. So what have I got coming soon? I've ordered, and I'm wondering whether it was a good idea. I've ordered 2 pipes from China through one of the bargain drop shippers, and I don't know if you've had any experience with these pipes. I'm led to believe you have to be a little bit careful of anything that purports to be ebony or says durable, or there are certain brand names that I won't go into at this moment, which I'm led to believe are a bit dodgy, not least because we're not quite sure what chemicals have been used in the treatment of those pipes. So I will be, when I've got hold of these two pipes, I will do an honest review of them, and I'll be putting up a review on my experience buying Chinese pipes, unbranded Chinese pipes, whether it's a good idea. Whether they, I'll always look at other people's comments and read and speak to people, but the acid test for me is to try it out myself. So I'll get hold of a couple of them, and I'll do a review on getting those cheap Chinese pipes. Are they a bad idea? Always looking for a bargain. It's been one of my downfalls in life, really. So I hope it's not going to be too bad or too injurious to my health to try those brands like Muxiang, and you'll find others on online. So here we are, blending your own tobaccos. You like this one, you like that one, put the two together, you made your own blend. There's two for you. Two of Bert's favourites, Bowling Green and Drunken Sailor. Let me know what you like to mix up. All the best from M7WJO. My shout to yours. Keep warm, keep well, and I'll catch you further down the log. All the best.